Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the problem and saving time. First, power off and unplug the Series S, then swap in a known good HDMI cable and a different TV to rule out external faults. Once done, perform a soft reset and check display settings so you know the issue is the console. Make sure you have a small Phillips, Torx bits, ESD strap, and 90% plus isopropyl on hand. This gets you ready to open the unit if the port itself is at fault. You proceed to carefully open the case, keeping screws organized and grounded with an ESD strap. Remove the board to access the HDMI port. Inspect the connector for bent pins, cracked solder joints, or debris. Visual issues tell you whether cleaning, reflowing, or a replacement jack is required. Clean contacts with high-purity isopropyl, and if solder joints are cracked, reflow with a controlled heat source. Replace the connector if pins are damaged, because that restores reliable mechanical and electrical contact. You reassemble the console in reverse, seating the board and shell correctly, tightening screws evenly to avoid stress. Once done, plug in power and a verified HDMI cable, then test output with your TV. If the picture and sound return, run a quick system update to ensure firmware stability. If the problem persists, try a controlled second reflow or clean, but if you still get no signal or intermittent drops, stop and consult a professional repair service. Do not continue if extensive board damage is visible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.